Today, we're addressing a common audio issue when sound plays only from one side, either the left or right channel. This can be easily fixed in the edit page. Let's get started. First, import your clip and place it on the timeline. If the audio is mono and playing only from one side, here's how you can fix it. Right click on the audio clip in the timeline, select Clip Attributes from the drop down menu. In the Clip Attributes window, go to the Audio tab. Under Channel Format, change it from mono to stereo. In the Source Channel section, assign the single mono audio source to both the left and right channels. Click OK to apply the changes. Play back the clip and you'll now hear the audio equally distributed on both sides. Remember that it is important to have both left and right source channels assigned. This process effectively converts your mono audio into stereo, ensuring a balanced playback experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DaVinci Resolve tips.